I probably should have done this sooner, before last night. And let's see if this little girl wants to run. Oh. Oh. She's alive. We gotta mess with the alignment a little bit in the front, then should be able to drive this through the snow. Holy shit, I'm lucky. If I would have left the wheel turned on that, this would have literally just fell down the hill into this and took out the whole garage. E-brake just decided, let's slide the tires the whole way down the hill. Oh, that was scary. My front wheels were sitting right here, and it just decided to fall. Holy.